Are you tired of constantly hustling to make ends meet in your business? What if I told you there was a way to add passive income to your business without adding more work to your already busy schedule? Well, there is. With a marketing virtual assistant, you can sit back and watch your business grow effortlessly. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Kirsten, and we help online and local businesses grow through video marketing with a marketing virtual assistant doing most of the tasks. Our clients are generally using video marketing to build brand awareness, to generate leads, and to get clients. But that same content can help generate passive income. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Really quickly, before we talk about the passive income streams, I want to kind of define what a marketing virtual assistant is and what they do. So first of all, our marketing virtual assistants help out with SEO, video editing, uploading and posting videos, repurposing those videos for things like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and even Google My Business, as well as Pinterest. They also take care of email marketing and setting up blog posts on our website. They can set up things like lead magnets and funnels, as well as help you with course creation. So when I refer to a marketing virtual assistant, that's what I'm talking about. Like I said earlier, most of our clients are setting up YouTube channels to build brand awareness, showcase their authority, generate leads, and to get clients. However, once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will actually monetize your channel. And this is a great way for you to earn a passive income. You're already creating and posting videos for your business, but now YouTube's actually going to pay you. Every time an ad runs on one of your videos, you earn a percentage of that. And it can really add up over time, because if you think about it, your videos are working for you 24/7. And those videos can work for you for years and years and years. So isn't that fantastic? You're earning income from doing something you are already doing. It's funny because a lot of our clients, when they first start video marketing, they don't even realize that YouTube will pay them. In the comments below, let me know if you knew about YouTube's compensation plan. So the next way you could earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. And this is where you would share a link to something like a planner or a software or a supplement, whatever it may be. And how can your marketing virtual assistant help you with that? Well, first of all, they can do a lot of research to figure out what are the best affiliate products for you to promote. Obviously, you want them to be things that you use or that you truly believe in. But once you have that list, then your marketing virtual assistant can help you with your call to actions, making sure that you have the links to those products in your description for your video, in your different social media posts, allowing you to earn commission every time someone clicks on a link and buys one of the products you're talking about. That's affiliate marketing. I know when COVID hit, a lot of businesses realized they needed to have something that they could sell online. And that's where digital products come in. And digital products can be anything from templates to stock photography to courses or programs or planners. So digital products is a great way to expand your business. And it's also kind of a safety net. We have a lot of people that had yoga studios or local dietitians. And when COVID hit, they realized very quickly they needed to pivot and get online. Some of them created courses and programs. Some of them started teaching live courses. The best thing was they all survived COVID. They all survived the economy being shut down. And that's why digital products are so important. So how can your marketing virtual assistant help you with that? Well, first of all, if you're creating a course, they can lay it out and design it for you. That course will need a funnel, a way for people to find out about it and to buy it. They can make sure you have payment options set up like PayPal or Stripe. Your marketing virtual assistant can literally help you produce all of your digital products. They can also make sure that you're using those links in your descriptions and in your comments so that people will actually click them and buy those digital products that you created. Pretty amazing, right? Before we move on to the next point, if you'd like more info about a marketing virtual assistant, in the description, we'll put a link to double your income with a marketing VA. It's a fantastic guide that'll tell you a little bit more about what a marketing virtual assistant can do for you. Okay, so our fourth passive income strategy is print on demand. So this can be t-shirts or hats or mugs. And what's so amazing, again, your marketing virtual assistant can do the research because there's lots of different companies that can do this for you. And they can check to see which ones have great reputations and which ones will pay you the most money. Once that's done, you can decide what logos and designs, you can decide what designs you want your marketing virtual assistant to create. And then they can create mock-ups, things like a hat with your logo on it or the design that you created, or t-shirts. so that you can showcase these again in the description of your videos or on your social media marketing or in your email marketing. What's really exciting about this is you're not putting any money out up front. Print on demand means that someone clicks the button, they go to the link to order the fabulous shirt that you created, they click buy, and then that shirt is actually produced for them on the spot and directly shipped to them from the company that printed it. So you don't have to worry about having a bunch of t-shirts in your house, running to the post office, worried about they won't sell and you're stuck with a lot of inventory. So print on demand is a fantastic way, again, to add another revenue stream to your business. Your marketing virtual assistant can also add all of these items to your website. And having a marketing virtual assistant makes it so much easier to do that. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you'd like more information about marketing virtual assistants, check out some of these videos.